Hi, I'm Robert, and I'm here at the Birdcage Coffee House in response to the drawing for the Parrots at Paradise by John Kenneth Boutwell. We are doing our drawing. It was October 7th was the deadline, so we have Gregory here who's going to draw, and I hope you guys are all satisfied with the results. We're going to draw one of them. There's going to be 5 overall.
Should I read it?
Yes, the first name. This is our grand prize win.
Ramon Maciel.
Ramon, congratulations. You won your choice of what frame you want. Okay, now we got 4 more that are going to come out, and these are for the lithographs.
Ramon Parra.
Ramon Parra. Okay, so we have 1.
Charles Martin.
Charles Martin, number 2.
Kathy Ola. It's hard to see.
Oh, Kathy of Oklahoma. So we got, that's our 4th ticket overall, final ticket.
Alejandro Barbosa.
Alejandro Barbosa, thank you. And this concludes our drawing.
Congratulations.
Thank you.